सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 7, Shloka number 28. येषां त्वन्तगतं पापं जनानां पुण्यकर्मणां ते द्वन्द्वमोहनिर्मुक्ताः भजन्ते मां दृढव्रताः। Lord Krishna dealing with the topic of Paraprakriti, Aparaprakriti, and the knowledge about the higher nature of Ishvara is the ultimate bhakti. Having given the knowledge about what is Aparaprakriti and what is Paraprakriti. The Chaitanyam is my Paraprakriti, higher nature. Maya is Aparaprakriti, my own lower nature, which is the cause for this creation. Since the whole creation is a mixture of Paraprakriti and Maya Prakriti, every individual is also mixture of Paraprakriti and Maya Aparaprakriti. But whoever knows this Paraprakriti nature as Ishvara's real nature and as their real nature, they are called wise people. Whoever recognize. Whoever recognize, they are called wise people. When I say I am Paraprakriti, Bimba Chaitanyam, Aparaprakriti, Pratibimba Chaitanyam, both are mixed. Paraprakriti is independently existing, it is real, Satyam, that is called awareness, consciousness, which is Paraprakriti in every individual. What is Aparaprakriti in the individual? Body-mind complex. This is Maya, Asvatantram, Mithya, unreal. Because of this raga, dvesha, attachment towards this body, these moodhaha, people are not able to recognize their Atma Swarupam, real nature, Paraprakriti. Because of that ignorance, even they do not know my real nature also, Paraprakriti at total level. If they know their real nature, they can easily understand Paraprakriti of Parameshwara. Why? This Paraprakriti and that Paraprakriti are not different. So, Atma Jnanam eva Ishvara Jnanam. They celebrate every year Ganesha Chaturthi. What Ganesha they are worshipping? They are worshipping only Aparaprakriti Ganesha. They never recognize that Paraprakriti Ganesha, this Ganesha is a name and form, they never recognize because of ignorance. And they recognize Paraprakriti, that which is that essence of Ganesha, and worship Ganesha, wonderful. Let them eat Kodakattai, doesn't matter. But I am very happy if they know that real nature of Ganesha in the form of consciousness, Chaitanyam, which is all pervading. They are not knowing Arjuna. Therefore, What is the reason? Because of moha, because of delusion. What is the reason? He said in 27th shloka, Ichha, Dvesha, Samuthena. Ichha means raga. We have attachment towards certain things, likes and dislikes, strong, intense likes and dislikes. Ichha. Dvesham, aversion towards certain things. Unpleasant, unfavorable things. I don't want, I want to go away. That is called aversion or nivritti. Which I like, which are very, very pleasant to me, favorable to me, I go towards them, towards those people. This is called pravritti. Ichha. Ichha towards liking objects, dvesha towards disliking objects. What will happen? Ichha, dvesha. Samuthena. Because of that, what born? Dvandva is born. Duality has emerges there. Duality means Dvaitam. Dvaitam means what? Pair of opposites. Success, failure. All these come. Sita, Ushna. All will come one by one. Dvandva. It is called moha, delusion, confusion. They are confused because of what? Ichha, dvesha. Sarva bhutani sammoham, without exception. All beings are deluded by this raga, dvesha. We are giving importance to this body-mind complex ahankara, which is really not there. Sarge yanti parantapa. Those people, again, they will born in Srishti Kala. Again, they will born. Having said that much, in 28th shloka we are seeing in the last class, when they come to know this Paraprakriti, my higher nature, in the Paraprakriti, Ajnanam alone is the cause for samsara, dukkham, insecurity, limitation, bhayam. All these are because of Paraprakriti Ajnanam. The higher nature of Ishvara, not knowing his nature, is the cause. What Shastra says, to know the higher nature of Ishvara Paraprakriti, first you know the Jiva nature first. If you know this nature, it is easy to know that nature. You need not go and see the whole rice has, boiled or not. You take one piece from that. One rice piece you take and say, rice is boiled. When you are cooking vegetable also, what do? You see every piece of the vegetable, boiled or not. You take one is sufficient. You come to know what? Eka vijnanena sarva vijnana. Pak vandada illa Mysore pak sweet. You need not see whole Mysore pak sweet. And the one drop you take, sugar is correct. That's eppadi theriyum one drop kanna. Eka vijnanena sarva vijnanam. Idhula theriyadhu Swamini, Brahmanlo theriyale anna. That's the problem. நமக்கு எல்லாமே தெரியும். Animals do not have this problem. ஏன்னா அவங்களுக்கு ராக துவேஷம் கிடையாது. They are programmed. நமக்கு தான் இதெல்லாம் problem. Therefore we have to study Shastra. They need not study. Clear? So therefore Lord Krishna says, when they come to know, recognize this Paraprakriti, when they get desire, Yesham tu antagatam papam. When their papa is destroyed. Some papa is obstructing them, not allowing them to go to Gita class. And the papa antagatam, if it goes away, that papam, how it will go away? Punya karmanam. By spiritual oriented activities, dharmic activities, punya karmanam. People of virtuous deeds called punya karmanaha. Punya karmana means who are of noble actions. Punya karmani. So through that punya karma, virtuous actions, what will happen? They will get chitta shuddhi, purity of the mind. Once they get purity of the mind, that papa will disappear. Papa will go away. How can we know the papa has gone or not? From the person, he will get vasana towards Bhagavad Gita class. அதுதான் அடையாளம். எனக்கு உள்ள பாபம் போயிட்டுதான் இல்லையான்னா எப்படி அடையாளம்னா, எனக்கு பகவத்கீதா படிக்கணும்னு ஆசை இருக்கு, உபனிஷத்து படிக்கணும்னு ஆசை இருக்கு. இஃப் ஐ சி எனி சன்னியாசி சுவாமினி சுவாமிஜி மனசு அங்கே ஓடின்னு இருக்கு அண்ணா, அதுதான் பாபம் போயிட்டுன்னு அர்த்தம். நான் சொல்லல, அவர் சொல்றாரு. பாப புண்ணிய கர்மணாம் ஜனானாம் பாபம் து அந்தகதம் ஏஷாம், whose papa is destroyed by the virtuous deeds, actions. To such people, what happened? Te dvandva moha nirmuktaha. They are free from. Nirmuktaha means free from. Free from what? Dvandva moha. Dvandva means duality. Duality means what? That person is different, this person is different. We see all of them are differently. We cannot see one intertwined Atma Swarupam. We develop lot of differences, disparities, distinction between people, between languages, between other species. We see lot of difference. And then gradation we see, disparities we see. Because of that we commit lot of errors. Once the duality comes, dvesha will come, limitation will come, gradation will come, comparison will come, competition will come, cutthroat will come, what not? Ellame vandudum. All problems, even Ramasetu problem also will come. That person says Ramasetu is a mithya nu sollitan. Even enna sollitar opposition party, this government is mithya nu sollitan. Ramasetu is false. The government who is making the statement is mithya, false. நீயே இல்லப்பா போன்னு சொல்லிட்டான். அது மாதிரி சண்டை. So people, all problems because of simple one ignorance. Therefore, dvandva moha nirmuktaha. They are free from pair of opposite, raga, dvesha. Strong likes and dislikes. They are free from. So self-ignorance is the cause of sorrow, moha, dvandva. They are free from that sorrow which is born out of this raga, dvesha, moha, everything. Because of what? Chitta Shuddhi, they come to Shastra, they recognize Paraprakriti, knowledge will come. So they are free. Bhajante mam dridhavrataha. They worship me. They seek me. Such people, those whose papam, the sinful actions, the effect of that papam which obstructs them, Advaita Vasana, Ishvaranugrahena Advaita Vasana Pumsam. இந்த அத்வைத்த வாசனம் அவனை ஈஸியாக வராதா, எல்லா வாசனாஸ் வந்துடும். இந்த சாஸ்திரம் படிக்கணும் அத்வைத்த வாசனா will not come so easily because of punya karma it comes. Therefore those people, what they do? Bhajante. Bhajante means not bhajanam, like that bhajan. They come to Saturday class. Bhajante mam. Inna Swamini, your interpretation dane ani nee chello. Bhaj means to worship. Sevayam, bhaj sevayam. They serve me. They take refuge in me. They take shelter in me. And the bhajante mam. Here Shankaracharya writes, another commentators writes, mam means paraprakriti. Paraprakriti. Paraprakriti, how can you do bhajana? Higher nature of Ishvara. Saguna aparaprakriti you can do bhajana. But paraprakriti, higher nature of consciousness, how can you do bhajana? That means you have to understand here, Bhajana means here they do Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam. Because they got Chitta Shuddhi, Jnana Yogyata, because of Jnana Yogyata, they find a teacher and they go to the teacher who is teaching Bhagavad Gita systematically, exact meaning, the purport. How do we know the teacher is teaching correctly or not? If your Papa has not gone, he will go to another guru who is teaching Krishna alone is God, Krishna consciousness. இன்னும் பாப்பம் இருக்கேன்னு அர்த்தம். சுவாமி இவ்வளோ ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு சுவாமி அப்படி சொல்லாதுங்கன்னு தோணும் உங்களுக்கு. ஏன்னா many people are teaching Bhagavad Gita, but Krishna alone is God. If you worship Krishna alone, you will go to Goloka Vrindavana, otherwise you won't get moksha. I am asking you, what is the difference between that theologian, the Christian? He says, if you worship Jesus alone, you will go to heaven. If you worship any god, Ganesha or etc., where you will go? You will go to hell. I am asking, even a Hindu, a Krishna Bhakta, if he teaches Bhagavad Gita, if you worship Krishna alone, you will go to heaven, otherwise you will go to hell. And chonna, what is the difference between that fanatic Christian and this Hindu? Tell me. That is not proper teaching. Krishna is one of the avatara, infinite God, infinite Brahman has taken this form and sollanam illaya. Krishna alone is the God, other gods are not gods. And சொல்லலாமா? ஏன் சரியா படிக்கலன்னு அர்த்தம். ஏன் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் பாப்பம் இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். புரியுறதா இப்போ? பாப்பம் is that which is not allowing me to go to that right teaching. Therefore I have to seek the blessings of the Lord. Oh Lord, bless me. Where is the right teaching is going? Remove my papa first. If my papa goes away, I'll go to a right teacher and study Shastra exactly. Then I get moksha. Otherwise I have to go to hell. You know, people those are teaching like that. Any book for that matter, any religious text, because of one abhimana towards that God, if they teach, that person will never get moksha. இதே நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியாது, ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். So, dridhavrataha, he says, here ma means para prakriti, higher nature of Ishvara, they come to know through Shravanam, listening Shastra consistently, systematically. Some once in a while the teacher commands also, the teacher is so strict also, but they will study from that teacher only. She will not allow them to sleep in the class. She will not allow them to be irregular. She will not allow them to be casually. She is very strict. They love that teacher. ஏன்னா பாப்பம் போயிடுது. That's why they love that teacher. See, beautiful, no? He says, Dridhavrataha means here, with commitment. ஏனோ தானோ இல்லை. ரெகுலரா எப்ப சுவாமி நீ ஹாலிடே கொடுக்காதுங்கோ, கிளாஸ் வச்சுங்கோன்னு சொல்லுவா. அதுதான் திருடவிரதாக. கேசட்ஸ் கொடுங்கோ, ஐ வாண்ட் டு லிசன், கிளாஸ் வச்சுங்க, ஹாலிடேயே வேண்டாம். என்ன அர்த்தம்? கமிட்டட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் அர்த்தம். கமிட்டட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். திருடம் என்ன? ஸ்டடி, ஃபர்ம், வித் கமிட்மெண்ட். நிச்சித விஜ்ஞானம் அர்த்தம். Shankaracharya says, Dridhavrataha means sannyasinaha நான் சொல்லிட்டார் அவர். Dridhavratamna, the people who are sannyasis. ஏன்னா அவங்களுக்கு வேற வேலை இல்லை, எப்பவுமே இதேதான். மார்னிங் சாஸ்திரம், மத்தியானம் சாஸ்திரம், ஈவினிங் சாஸ்திரம், நைட்டு சாஸ்திரம், அதே பேசினே இருப்பான் வாய் திறந்தான். They are called Dridhavrataha. Even that sannyasis make some grihasthas also Dridhavrataha, like sannyasis, gauna sannyasis. You are also as no sannyasis. இது என்ன விநாயக சதுர்த்தி கூட பாப்போம் வந்துட்டே கிளாஸுக்கு, திருடவிரதாக தானே. So you are also as good as sannyasis, committed. with firm resolve. What is that firm resolve? Shankaracharya says, this is the fact, what I am studying, this Shastra is the fact. There is no second thing other than this. Aham Brahma Asmi is the fact. That is called Dridhavratam. அப்பப்போ சந்தேகம் வரும், இது சுவாமினி சொல்றது கரெக்டா இல்லையா, என்னமோ சொல்றான், இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் வராது சந்தேகம். கொஞ்சம் நிச்சயமான ஞானம் வரும். ஞானம் விஜானம். ஞானம் என்ன அர்த்தம்? சகுண ஈஸ்வர ஞானம் இஸ் கால்ட் ஞானம். அபரா பிரகிருதி ஞானம். Bhagavan is there, Bhagavan is all pervading, Bhagavan is in so many forms, Bhagavan will bless us, Bhagavan give everything. Bhagavan is all pervading also. All pervading also. This is what Jnanam? Jnanam. Sirf Jnanam. Sirf is in Hindi padam. Okay. Sirf knowledge is mere Saguna Ishvara Jnanam, Apara Prakriti Jnanam. They are not Dridhavrataha. If their desires are not fulfilled, what they do know? They change the God. They leave the God. But Dridhavrataha is those people who have got that Vijnanam, Paraprakriti Jnanam. Paraprakriti Jnanam alone is Jnanam. Brahma Jnanam, that is called Chaitanya Jnanam alone is Jnanam. Nothing else. All these are all only preliminary steps. This Karma Yoga, Upasana, Japa, Tapa, Dhyanam, all these are only means. They are not ultimate. This person knows. When he can know? After reading Bhagavad Gita, few chapters. இப்போ புரியுறது இல்லையோ? You are all getting commitment in this Shastra after studying long time. Is it not? First class வரும்போது you watch, check your mind. How was your mind? What is your knowledge about God? What is your bhakti? What is your devotion? What was there? Now how is it? See the difference. So now you are becoming Dridhavrataha day by day, day by day. They will become Dridhavrataha. Nu சொல்றார் கிருஷ்ண பரமாத்மா. Last week I thought of telling one shloka. These people are not seeing me, my real nature. Ganapati Mavahayami, Yadhastanam Pradisthapayami. போயிட்டு வா, நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர் கூப்பிடுறேன். என்ன எனக்கே வாட்டர் ப்ராப்ளம், இடம் பத்தல வீட்டில், நீ எதுக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அவன் அனுப்பிட்டேன். ஆவாகனம் பண்றது அனுப்புறது. இது பண்ணிண்டே இருக்குமே வருஷ கணக்கில். Lord Krishna says, I am seeing everyone, but they are not seeing me. என்னார். அதுக்கு உதாரணம் சொன்னேன் இல்லையோ? Like in car glasses, no? Car glasses, they can see from the inside the car, but we cannot see them. They can see, we cannot see them. Similarly, one poor person also, he is addressing his poverty. A poor person, he is addressing his poverty. He is a poor person, he is addressing his own poverty, daridryam. What he says, that shloka, a very fun shloka. In the context connection irukku, adukku da solren. He daridryaha namastubhyam. Oh poverty, namaskara to you. He daridryam, namaskaram to you. Namastubhyam. Ena siddhoham tvad anugrahat. Aham siddhaha tvad anugrahat. Because of your blessing, oh poverty, because of your blessing, I am accomplished. Siddha, I am accomplished. What way? You know? He says, Yenam pashyamyaham, Yena pashyamyaham. Because of which poverty, I am seeing everyone. Please give money, please give money. He is looking at everyone. Yena, because of which poverty, because of which poverty, I am seeing everyone and asking money. Yena pashyami aham. I am seeing everyone. Sarvan, all people. Yena pashyamyaham sarvan. Namam pashyati kaschana. Nobody is seeing me. நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன். I am beggar. Because of your blessing, I am seeing all people. I am going and asking every person, please give money, please give money. But what people are doing, nobody is looking at me. Generally we don't see their face, poor people, generally we don't see them. Yena pashyamyaham sarvan, because of which poverty I am seeing everyone, but nobody sees me. But Bhagavan kada ennachu theriyumo? இப்படிதான் எடுத்து பகவான் ஆல்சோ புரியலையோ ஸ்டோரி புரியுற மாதிரி இருக்கு. இது ஒரு வாடி படிக்கிற ஸ்லோகம். ஹே தாரித்ர்ய நமஸ்துபியம் சித்தோகம் துவத் அனுகிரகாத் ஏன பஷ்யாம்யஹம் சர்வான் நமாம் பஷ்யதி கஷ்சன. நோபடி இஸ் சீயிங் மீ, ஐ எம் சீயிங் எவ்ரிவன். தட் மீன்ஸ் பகவான் ஆல்சோ சேயிங் ஐ எம் சீயிங் எவ்ரிவன், பட் நோபடி இஸ் சீயிங் மை ரியல் நேச்சர். What they are seeing? They are seeing my lower nature, which is not real, and they are taking that alone is real. My avatara is real, my body is real, my Krishna Rupam is real, but they are not knowing me. Who is the loser? Bhagavan or the Bhakta? Bhakta only loser. Why? Samsara chakram dukkha. ஜரா மரண சோக துக்கால அப்படியே இல்லை. பகவானுக்கு ஒன்றும் நஷ்டம் இல்லை. பகவான் இஸ் டெல்லிங் இஃப் தே நோ மை ரியல் நேச்சர், மை ரியல் நேச்சர் அப்புறம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவங்களோட ரியல் நேச்சர் கற்றுக்கிட்டோம், தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம். ஜீவ விசாரான்னு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கல் ஈஸ்வர ஜானம் வந்துடும். ஆத்ம ஜானம் இஸ் நத்திங் பட் பிரம்ம ஜானம், பிரம்ம ஜானம் இஸ் நத்திங் பட் ஈஸ்வர ஜானம். சுவாமினி இதெல்லாம் தேவையான்னு, இதெல்லாம் தேவையா? ஜீவஜானம் ஈஸ்வர ஜானம் இதெல்லாம் தேவையான? ஏய், யூ ஹவ் காட் ஹியூமன் பர்த் ஓன்லி ஃபார் திஸ் பர்பஸ். We have got human birth only for this purpose, not for eating, not for sleeping, not for giving birth to children. That animals are also doing. Ahara nidra bhayamaidhanancha samanyam pashubhirnaranam buddhiri tesham adhiko viseshah. What is the difference between them and me? So this is the only goal. What? Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. What is the goal? Moksha alone is the goal. These are all only helps for this goal. நம்ம இது விட்டுட்டு இது மூடு பிடிச்சிட்டோம். என்ன tragedy. Next shloka. அதை சொல்றார் பாப்பம் பகவான். These people, Dridhavrataha, committed people, they come to me. 29th shloka we will read. Jara marana mokshaya mamashritya yatanti ye te brahma tadviduh kritsnam adhyatmam karma chakhilam. Now Lord Krishna is concluding, these people, ye yatanti, whoever put effort. Yatanti means striving for. Those who strive, te ye yatanti. Te ye yatanti means with what type of effort? Every year, every 6 months going to pilgrimage centers and coming, adha yatantiya. Or doing lot of vratams, pujas, punaskarams, dhyanam and all, that is effort. Shastra says that is not at all effort, that is sakama bhakti. But this nishkama bhakta finally come to this shravana manana nididhyasanam. You want to study Shastra. Shravana manana nididhyasana, what for? For the sake of knowledge, self-knowledge. Self-knowledge alone is moksha. Swamini, unga class ku varlana moksham varada. Varadu. Yen moksha means self-knowledge. Knowledge will take place when ignorance opposite என்ன? Knowledge. Knowledge எப்படி வரும்? ஜபம் பண்ணினா வருமா? மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணினா வருமா? நாலேஜ் பிசிக்ஸ் நாலேஜ் வரணும் ஜபம் பண்ணுங்க. மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ் நாலேஜுக்காக ஜபம் பண்ணுங்க. இல்ல கொடைக்கட்டை பண்ணணும் சுவாமி இன்னைக்கு ஜபம் பண்ணுங்க. யூ ஷுட் நோ ஹவு டு மேனுஃபேக்சர் தட் கொடைக்கட்டை. அந்த நாலேஜ் வேணும். By meditation, by japa, you can never remove any ignorance. How can you remove this ignorance of the self? You can remove the ignorance of the self only by study scriptures. Self-knowledge will remove the ignorance. So therefore, these people who desire for moksha, they recognize moksha is nothing but Atma Jnanam. Moksha means freedom from sorrow. Sorrow is because of ignorance. Ignorance will go by with only knowledge. Knowledge can come only through Shastra study. Self-ignorance will go away through Shastra study. Yatanti. They keep money for buying books, to go to class. They keep their health and they maintain their weight also. என்ன கிளாஸ் போனோம்னா கொஞ்சம் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணணும் ஹெல்த். இதெல்லாம் வரும் அதுக்குள்ளே. They never, they are not complacent about their health, about their infrastructure. Study disturb ஆகக்கூடாது. அது டிஸ்டர்ப் ஆகாமல் இருந்தாதான் எனக்கு படிப்பு படிச்சாதான் சாஸ்திரம் ஞானம் வரும். That's why they are very very careful. கேர்ஃபுல் தானே. அது இது சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. எல்லாமே சாப்பிட்டு வந்து கிளாஸ்ல உட்கார்ந்து காஃப் வந்துட்டே இருந்தா என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? So they are very careful in taking food also. அம்மம்மோ சுவாமினி கிளாஸ்ல போய் நாங்க காஃப் வந்துடுவோம் ஒன்னும் சாப்பிடாம. There are students like that. இதெல்லாம் சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. சுவாமி முன்னாடி உட்காரோம் காஃப் வந்துட்டே இருந்தேன்னா டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் ஆயிருக்கும், நான் கிளாஸ் மிஸ் ஆயிடுவேன்னு சொல்லி they are careful. All this come under what? Yatanti. They never give appointment to anybody that day. That is called what? Yatanti. They are very very regular, sincere and study Shastra. Yatanti. Ye yatanti. Mam ashritya. Taking refuge in me. Tatchintanam, tatkathanam, anyonyat, tatprabodhanam. Ide patient nirpa. This is only they are doing all the time. This is only sharing. That's mam ashritya. Taking shelter in me. What for? Jara marana mokshaya. Why they come to Bhagavad Gita class? Lord Krishna says, Jara mokshaya. They want to be free from old age. அப்ப என்ன old age வரதா சுவாமினி எங்களுக்கு கேட்காதுங்க. They are not disturbed by the old age. They accept the old age. Even that suffering of the old age. Joints problem, pallu problem, old age lo ellame vandudum. Digestion problem, so many are coming. Old age fear. That aging is a tremendous fear it creates. Tremendous insecurity comes. But these people, if I go to Bhagavad Gita class, I'll get mental strength. Once I get mental strength, this old age cannot disturb me. Jara moksham. This is called Jara moksham. Free from old age problems. Free from old age suffering. Otherwise, வீட்டில் உட்கார்ந்து, now you see many elders, old age people, how much they are struggling. And they have never gone to Bhagavad Gita class. They have not studied Bhagavad Gita. They have not prepared their mind how to tackle my old age. Not at all. இப்போ உட்கார்ந்து giving problem to all people in the family. That's why prepare now itself your mind. Be ready for old age. Body old age வரப்போறது வரட்டும். அதுதான் ஜரா மோக்ஷம். மரணம், even death. They want to be free from death. That means what? This body is going to perish One day or other it is bound to go. I am not this body. They get the knowledge that fear of death also will disappear. The fear of death also will disappear. This is true. How? Lord Krishna saying, Jara, Marana, Mokshaya. Adhikaha, people will come to, they worship me. Jara, Marana, Mokshaya, for freedom from decay and death. That is called samsara, anartha. Represents kala, time also. Kala means time. This matter, body, mind complex is a matter. Jadam. This matter come into existence, so and so time. This matter will disappear on so and so time. Clear? So, this matter and this time principle you cannot separate. As long as the matter is there, time principle will be there. As long as that time principle, who? Big brother. Who is big brother? Yamadharma Raja. Kalahana Shivan. Shivan pidichuko, Markandeya enna pannitar. He hold that feet of the Lord to come out of this Maranam and Kala. Yamadharma Raja. The Kala represents Yaman. Kala represents the body-mind complex. It has to go. This is body-mind complex. Matter is inseparable from the time principle. Therefore, accept the matter which is mixed with the time principle, allow that it has to undergo a change. But this person internal, really hand is not worrying. I am becoming old, I am not holding anything, I am not able to hold. Shakti alla poiduchu, kai kavalapadda. Kaalu nadakka mudiyale, kashtama irukke. Kaalu kuda kavalapadradilla. Kannu kavalapadradilla. Ayyo paaka mudiyala, kannu edha kavalapadradha. Endha vadamula endha bhagam kuda kavalapadradilla. Who is worrying? Nan, and the aham, no, ahankar. So, அதுக்கு தான் மருந்து கொடுக்கணும். இப்போ இது சேஞ்ச் பண்ண முடியாது. பல்லு கூட டூப்ளிகேட் ஃபால்ஸ் டீத் தான் வைக்க முடியுமே தவிர இந்த டீத் வராது. பகவான் வச்சின பல்லு திருப்பி வராது. புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. என்ன டாக்டர் கூட எவ்வளவு ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட் ஆனாலும் கூட டென்டிஸ்ட் பகவான் வச்சின பல்லு திருப்பி வைக்க முடியாது. போச்சுன்னா அவ்வளவுதான். எதுக்கு இந்த உடம்புக்காக நமக்கு இவ்வளவு அபிமானம்? அதுதான் மோகம், மாயா. So therefore, mam ashritya yatantiye jaramarana mokshaya. Such people, to get freedom from this decay and old age, what they do? They surrender to me. They develop first Saguna Ishvara Bhakti. They do japa, they do meditation, they always remember me, and because of that they get Chitta Shuddhi, they come to the class and they study thoroughly, te viduhu, they recognize. They come to know, te viduhu, what? Tad viduhu, tad brahma viduhu, they come to know Brahman. Tad brahma te viduhu. Those people who put effort with a lot of pains. புரிய மாட்டேங்கிறது சுவாமினி, சாஸ்திரம் கஷ்டமா தான் இருக்கு, ஆனாலும் திருப்பி 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 படிப்பான். கஷ்டமானாலும் கூட ஏன் புரியலன்னு திருப்பி திருப்பி they want to study. So again they study. They come to know Brahman. Number one, he is going to introduce 6 technical terms. Number one is Brahma. They come to know that Brahman, technical term number one. Number two, how they know Brahman? Completely. Krishnam, entirely they know Brahman. Not a tailo head, totally they come to know. No doubt, no? Doubtless knowledge they get about my Paraprakriti. Number one. Number two, Adhyatmam Krishnam te viduhu. Krishnam te viduhu you have to supply. they come to know about the Adhyatmam. Body, mind. What is body? What is mind? They come to know. This micro, vyashti, technical. We can take this one. First, second one as karma. Akhilam karma te viduhu. They know all about the karma completely. Akhilam means completely. Who is the doer? What for he is doing? What he is going to get? How long he has to do? Really, how he performs? All this about the karma. Sanchita karma, agami karma, prarabdha karma, and the karma. Adi final. Idella he come to know. The nature of karma completely. Who study Shastra, they come to know Brahman, they come to know karma, they come to know third technical term Adhyatmam, body mind, they come to know body mind complex, and they attend Sunday class, Tuesday class, Saturday class. எல்லாமே எல்லா கிளாஸ்லும் என்ன சொல்றாங்க, சுவாமினி என்ன வேற என்ன சொல்றாங்களா, உபன்யாசம் இதே தான் சப்ஜெக்ட். 3 கிளாஸ்ல இதே படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கோம், புதுசா இருக்கு இல்லையோ. Body mind complex Adhyatmam they come to know. Not only that, he is going to give in the next shloka also 3 more are there, totally 6. 3 has mentioned in this shloka. Number 1 is Brahma, number 2 is karma, number 3 is Adhyatma. How they know? Totally, completely they know. Next shloka, last shloka, we'll read shloka number 30. साधिभूताधिदैवं माम् साधियज्ञं च ये विदुः प्रयाणकालेऽपि च माम् ते विदुर्युक्तचेतसः. Continuation of that previous shloka. What is the 4th one, the technical term? Sadhibhutam. Sa means along with, saha anardham. Sa means sa plus adhi, sadhi. Sa means along with, saha anardham. Along with what? Adhibhutam. Not only Brahma, Karma, Adhyatmam, they also, along with those 3, they come to know Adhibhutam. Adhibhutam means Upadana Karanam, Panchabhutas. Adhyatmam, Adhibhautikam, Adhidaivam. 3 we used to see. Adhibhutam means all 5 elements, planets, the moon, sun, the whole Adhibhutam, Bhautikam, whatever is material in this creation, they come to know. Individual level, they come to know. World, they come to know. What is world? World is nothing but manifestation of 5 elements, modification of 5 elements. Adhibhutam. டெக்னிக்கல் டேர்முக்கு டெக்னிக்கல் டேர்ம் சொல்லணும்னா உபாதான காரணம், மெட்டீரியல் காஸ். They come to know the material cause, upadana karanam, adhibhutam. Then prakriti we can take. 5th technical term is adhidaivam. Adhidaivam is called nimitta karanam, intelligent cause. Adhidaivam means those devatas, presiding deities. All presiding deities, what we are seeing, sun, moon, these devata, all these are golakams. They are presiding deities in every golakam. Clear? Preceding deity belong to Adhidaivikam. This golakam belong to Adhibhutam. This individual belong to Adhyatmam, body mind complex. அழகா இருக்கு இல்லையோ? அதிபூதம் அதிதைவம், அத்தியாத்மம் அதிபூதம் அதிதைவம். என்ன கனெக்ஷன் இந்த மூடுக்கு? That's what we are learning here. What is the connection in the triangle? World, God, myself. What is relation? What is the connection? சுவாமினி, பசிக்கிறது தூக்கம் வருது புரியறதுக்குள்ள பசி தாகம், கொஞ்சம் பேசினாலே காக வருது, கொஞ்ச நேரம் உட்கார்ந்தாலே முட்டி வலி வருது. என்ன பண்றது? இதெல்லாம் தாண்டி நம்ம புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு மோட்சம் அடையணுமா? That's why people postpone. சுவாமி, இதெல்லாம் முடியாத காரியம், விடுங்கோ. You may live in this janma, but next janma again you have to come. What to do? No other way. You cannot escape in any janma. One janma or other you have to finish this assignment. Assignment finish pannamale, how will you get the gold medal? What is the gold medal? Moksha. You cannot get gold medal. So he says, adhibhutam, adhidaivam. Fifth one over, adhiyajnam, sadhiyajnam, yajnena saha. Adhiyajnam is the rituals. The rituals, the karma, kanda, this person to come to know. Because we saw in Chandogya Upanishad also, whole karma kanda up to 6 chapters, 5 chapters, whole karma kanda only. What is the ritual? Why we have to do upasana? Why we have to do ritual? What is the benefit of the ritual? How it helps the person for this moksha, this yajnam? Who is the performer? What is this yajnam? In 4th chapter we saw, in 24th shloka, Brahmarpanam Brahmahavihi Brahmagno Brahmanahutam Brahmaiva tena gantavyam Brahma karma samadhina. Yajna is nothing but Brahman. The performer of yajnam is Brahman, and the performing dravyam, that which we are offering, dravyam is also Brahman. The phalam which is coming out from the yajnam is also Brahman. Yajamana is Brahman, priest is Brahman, mantram is Brahman. Yedi Brahman illa, ellame Brahman da. That is the yajnam. Every day we are eating also. Enna yajnam sonna idu? Pranagni hotram yajnam. Pranam agni, jatar agnilo hotram, agni hotram. Daily idli, offering, dosa offering. In the fire irukka illa. Andha agni hotram pandroma illayo? Pandroma illa enna sami pandradhe illa swami. Indha agni hotram 3 vela miss agamale. Pandrana garbur shaddam. Pranagni hotram nityam pannendu, nityagni hotri yaranna nanda. Nityagni hotri nanda. 3 வேளைல நித்திய அக்னிஹோத்திரம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்னா, சாப்பிடுறவனும் பிரம்மன் தான், சாப்பிடுற பதார்த்தம் பிரம்மன் தான். Who is digesting? Lord Krishna says, aham vaishvanaro bhutva praninam deham ashrita. உடம்புல இருந்து நானே சாப்பிட்டு இருக்கேன், நானே டைஜஷன் பண்ணிக்கிறேன் பகவான் சொல்றாரு. இப்படி சொன்ன உடனே ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு டவுட்டே வந்துச்சு, சுவாமி we are eating பிரம்மனா? அப்போ எவ்வளவு தப்பு பண்றோம். ஏன்னா அந்த வார்த்தை சொல்லலை நான். என்ன வார்த்தைன்னா, சாப்பிடுறவனும் பிரம்மன் தான், the eater also Brahman, therefore don't worry. அது மாதிரி yajna means what? Everything is Brahman. This person come to know who studies Shastra. புரியுறதா? அதுதான் 6வது. மாம் விதுஹு. When whoever knows this, what is the advantage, you know? Whoever study and know this in this manner, yukta chetasaha, they are called te yukta chetasaha. Where is yukta chetasaha? Second line lo last word. Yukta chetasaha, self-controlled people, disciplined mind people. Te ye viduhu, who know, those self-disciplined people who know me, Mam. This means nishkama bhaktaha anartha. Jignasu bhaktaha. Not artha bhakta, artharthi bhakta. Jignasu bhaktaha they became. How they became Jignasu Bhaktaha? First they were Artha Artharth. அது தாண்டி பாவம் ஜிக்னாசு ஆயிட்டான் இப்போ. ஸோ அந்த பக்தியில இருந்து இருந்து ஜபம் பண்ணி 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 பகவானுக்கு பூஜை பண்ணி பண்ணி டெய்லி slowly he has come to know this adibhutam, adidaivam, adhyatmam, adiyajnam, adikarma, brahma. They come to know what will happen to this person at the time of death while he leaving the body. இவளை கஷ்டப்பட்டு படிச்சு பூஜை பண்ணி உபாசனை பண்ணி பூஜை எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு what will happen to this person? Prayana kale api mam te viduhu. Because of this vasana, என்ன வாசனை? ஏதோ வாசனை கிடையாது. இந்த சாஸ்திரம் படிச்சு படிச்சு டெய்லி சுவாமினி பார்த்து பார்த்து புஸ்தகம் படிச்சு பூஜை பண்ணி ஜபம் பண்ணி தியானம் பண்ணி எல்லாம் பண்ணினால அந்த பகவான் சகுண ஈஸ்வர பகவான், I have understood that apara prakriti, I have understood para prakriti. The mind is soaked with aham brahmasmi jnanam. Prayana kale api. Prayana kalam enna prayanam? Last journey. அந்த காலல்ல கூட he remembers me. Prayana kale api te viduhu. They remember me, they recognize me at the time of death. Vata, pitta, kapham. Here kapham will obstruct this person. Before leaving the body, people are all standing. Janasimam, Janasimam. Chandogya class we saw last class. Janasimam, Janasmi. Can you recognize me? Tata, Chittapanan, Chittapa. I am your son, I am your daughter. Like that people are standing. They don't allow you to do japa or anything remembering. This person, how many people standing surrounded here, he will not bother. Why? His subconscious mind linked with Bhagavan. So automatically that comes to surface. Yedi last time, throughout the life, whatever you think, whatever you do, whatever your mind is soaked with what, that only comes in the last moment. சுவாமி நீ லாஸ்ட் மூமெண்ட்ல பண்ணலாம் இதெல்லாம் இப்போ எதுக்குன்னு சொன்னா அப்போ வராது அவனுக்கு ஈஸியா. எது எவ்ரிடே பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கும்போது ஜபம் பண்ணிட்டே இந்த நாமம் அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி சொன்னா லாஸ்ட் மூமெண்ட்ல when I am leaving this body, even that person recognize tomorrow he is going to die. Suppose if he recognize aham brahmasmi today, he is got moksha, he has got moksha. ஒரு நாள் முன்னாடி வந்தா கூட போதும் ஞானம். எவ்வளவு சீக்கிரம் வரணும்னு தொந்தரம் இல்லை. Even one day before, even 1 hour before, 1 minute before he recognized, I am not this body. Mano buddhi ahankara chittani naham. I am not this body. I am that consciousness. Because of that shastra study, vasana, that like flash it comes in the mind. That thought comes to surface. என்ன தாட் வந்த என்ன சுவாமி? That thought will decide next birth. That thought which come before leaving the body, exact at that moment, that thought determines that you are going to get going to get videha mukti, that means no birth, or you are going to enter into buchi. This thought will decide. Therefore, antakalepi mameva smaran muktva kalevaram tantame vaiti kaunteya. And sollaporar Bhagavan. This person, because of this yukta chetasaha, disciplined mind, endowed with, soaked with, such committed with the mind, aham brahmasmi, the fact, this person, mam te viduhu, such person remembers me at the time of death. Before second he recognized me, he got moksha. Therefore, postpone பண்ணாதீங்க, இப்படின்னு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். So mind has to soak with the Bhagavan name all the time. That's why Bhishmacharya asked everybody, go away from me. Now I have to bring that last thought. என்ன துரியோதன உப்பு சாப்பிட்டு துரியோதன மனசுல வந்து என்ன ஆயிடும்? பகவான் கிருஷ்ணா கம் ஃப்ரண்ட் சொல்லிட்டார். Last moment. When the Yamadharmaraja is coming and trying to hold Markandeya, he rushed to Bhagavan. So therefore, till today, in our families, some elders, before they are passing, they do Namasmaranam, Bhagavan Smaranam. Edukku theriyuma? And the last Namasmaranam da thought the next janmani determine pannu. Otherwise, what will happen? Edo fisho, goto aitavana, kaima pannimma. They will eat. We do not know if we enter into another body, they will just fry and eat. Taka taka taka. In the jeevan poi and ulla maatitana. Epdipatta in the janma waste pannikalama. How can I waste this life? So remember all the time God, so that that thought will come at the time of death. Suddenly it won't come. Suddenly it won't come. That's why, there is one fun incident they will say. One person at the time of death, ஒரு நாள் கூட பகவான் நாமம் சொன்னது கிடையாது அவன். How can he remember Lord at the last moment? But people have this desire. At least ஒரு நாள் லாஸ்ட் மூமெண்ட்லாவது இவன் பகவான் பேர் சொல்லி வைக்கலாம்னு சொல்லி ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டான். What they did, you please utter the Narayana Narayana சொல்லு. You Narayana Narayana சொல்லு. So they keep the name of the Narayana to grandson. Narayana va, at least they will cook the last minute. Now you know why they keep the Narayana name? Are Shiva va? And cooked the last minute. Grandson kaavad aashapatti cookta. Appadi adhu moksham varume. Puriyalayo? Why they keep Shiva, Rama, Krishna, Narayana பேர் புரியுறதா இப்போ? இவன் பைசா சம்பாதிக்கிறதே ஆசை தவிர ஒரு நாள் பூஜை ஜபம் பண்ணது கிடையாது. ஆல்வேஸ் கிராண்ட்சன் 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 ஒரே இது லவ். So finally last moment he is having desire only to see that grandson, so that he can utter that name. Hey Shiva, இப்படி வாரா சுப்பு வான்னு போதும், சுப்பிரமணியன் தான். If he could call சுப்பு வான்னு சொன்னா கூட என்ன கிராண்ட் சன்னு பார்க்கணும்னு ஆசை. ஆனால் whom he called சுப்புன்னு பரவாயில்ல, சுப்பிரமணியம் will listen. அது மாதிரி நாராயணான்னு கூப்பிட்டா நாராயணா will listen. That is the intention. அப்படி சொல்லி don't escape from the classes. Okay, சும்மா கதைக்காக சொன்ன. இவங்க என்ன பண்ணிட்டா நாராயண சொன்ன அவரு he is not able to utter. அந்த நாமம் வரல. What they did na, இந்த கோகோனட் இது நார, அது பேரு நார, இந்த கோகோனட் ஃபைபர் they brought it. At least இது பார்த்தாவது நாரா நாரான்னு சொன்னா half of the name he can chant. Half of the name in Telugu they call it as nara. அந்த கோகோனட் ரோப் கொண்டு வந்து நாரான்னு சொன்னா half of the name he chant, he will get புண்ணியன்னு சொன்னா. இவன் என்ன சொன்னா தெரியுமா? நாரான்னு சொன்னாமலே அதுக்கு வேற பேர் இருக்க, பீச்சு அனு பேரு. தெலுங்குல அந்த நாராக்கு பீச்சு அனு பேரு. நாரான்னு சொன்னா ஹாஃப் அட்லீஸ்ட் கொஞ்சம் புண்ணியாவது வந்திருக்கும். இவன் என்ன சொன்னா நாரான்னு கூட சொல்லாமலே பீச்சுன்னு சொல்லிட்டான். என்ன வாசனை பாருங்க மனசுக்குள்ள. அதனால பகவான் பேர் சொல்லாமலே டெய்லி லாஸ்ட் மூமெண்ட்ல வராது. எது நம்ம வாட் எவர் யூ திங்க் கண்டினியூஸ்லி த்ரூ அவுட் யுவர் ரொட்டீன், that only come to the surface. With this intention only our people always say do japa, do japa, do japa. That will determine your next life, next life. Say aham brahmasmi now here itself. Get jivan mukti and videha mukti. You are free. Therefore Lord Krishna says sadhi bhutam sadhi daivam sadhi yajnam mam ye viduhu prayana kale api. Prayana kalam anna last death time also te mam viduhu. They are called yukta chetasaha, well informed, well learned people. They know what is the priority of their life. They never postpone, they never waste their time. They study and attend Gita. More in the next class. Purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavashishyate ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. హరి ఓం. శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః.